Hi everyone, I'm Amy.
Hello everybody, I'm Mandy, and this is what's happening for the week of April 3rd at the Fitchburg Senior Center. Amy's giving me a hard time because she thinks I'm too excitable when I say hello to y'all.
Hello.
But I am so excited. Amy, what's going on this week?
Indoor walking. Don't miss it. Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays from 2 to 4. Check out the new course that Dave has set up.
There's a course.
There's a course and involves stairs, so it's not for the faint of heart. And then improving telehealth. You don't want to miss the nurse, Lody Souvannarath, will be here to teach us more about how to use telehealth on Friday, April 21st at 10:30. And then don't miss Gunderson Funeral Homes, A Funeral's Carbon Footprint. April 5th at 10 o'clock. Mandy?
Well, let me tell you, the Active Women's Group are meeting on the 12th. So remember, they switch their stuff. They're on the second Wednesday of each month. And the topic this month is a guy named John Vardalas, who's the founder of the American Boomer Group. And he's going to talk about how to inspire you baby boomers, and I know there's a lot of you out there, how to inspire you baby boomers to live your most fulfilling and meaningful lives. So don't miss it. And you know I can't stop talking about the pancake breakfast because that's the hottest news around.
What's included?
Eggs,
Cakes,
sauce, some kind of applesauce probably, I don't know.
Is there a
Whatever.
meat?
And sausage. So you're not gonna wanna miss it because it's like $10. That's dirt cheap. You won't wanna miss it. And coming on April 12th, we're getting ready to dance again. We got our spring fling coming up.
Yeah.
So don't miss it. We're gonna start dancing at 12:30. And if you like to play Bid Whiz or Spades, you can come on Tuesdays at 10:30.
All you have to do is wake up and show up.
Where the coffee is usually pretty hot, and you'll find friends, a newspaper, and maybe even a hug.
We'll see you right here.